अस्सलाम वालेकुम अबू। अबू, मुझे आपसे कुछ बात करनी है। अबू, मैं अब्रॉड जाना चाहता हूँ।
क्यों?
मैं अपनी पढ़ाई तो ख़त्म कर चुका हूँ और आपको तो सारे हालात का इल्म है। यहाँ हमारा क्या मुस्तकबिल है? हर वक्त हंगामा और बेयकीनी की जिंदगी।
Don't ever forget, my son, where you come from. Do you think leaving your country will change your identity? If you think so, you are very much mistaken. Because no matter which nationality you hold, your bones and your blood will always remain to Kashmir, will always belong to Kashmir. When you were young and you were unable to do anything, this motherland provided you the necessity to survive. And now when you are something and you can give back to this country, you want to run away? I thought of many things of you, my son, but a coward was not one of them.
Oh, please, Abdul. I don't listen to this lecture anymore.
This is not a lecture, Hamza. And this is not just your father's cause. Open your eyes and see those struggling around you. They do not have any more hope than you. But at least they are fighting for the right to breathe freely and practice their own religion upon their homeland.
आंटी, आपको अपने बच्चे की जिंदगी अजीज नहीं? यहाँ के हालात रोज बरोज खराब होते जा रहे हैं। अगले लम्हे का पता नहीं, फ्यूचर का क्या सोचें? आंटी, our parents have given us the permission. Why aren't you doing the same?
देखो बेटा, तुम्हारे अब्बू ने अपनी सारी जिंदगी अपनी तालीम और सलाहियत इस मुल्क के लिए वक्फ कर दी है। वो जब भी चाहते दुनिया के किसी भी मुल्क में सेटल हो सकते थे, मगर उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया। तुम्हें उनका कैलिबर मालूम है और तुमने हमेशा उन पर फख्र किया है। आज जब उनको तुम पर फख्र करने का वक्त आया है, तो तुम यहाँ से जाना चाहते हो?
Oh, please, अम्मी, ये आपकी इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस की क्लास नहीं है। This is reality. It'll be best for both of us to accept it.
Don't talk to your mother like that. Where are manners? Don't you think she understands you? तुम्हारी अम्मी 15 साल से तुम्हारे जैसे स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ा रही है, उन्हें गाइड कर रही है। She understands you perfectly. Why don't you try to understand what we are trying to say?
Zainab, aren't you going to say something?
Please, don't drag me into this. It's my final year of medicine and my exams are coming soon.
Why? You're going to be in my shoes soon enough. Once you graduate with a degree in medicine, you can come there as well. I can help you settle down, get a good job. Your future will be secure.
You talk about the future, Pai, but you forget that to ensure a bright future, we have to better the present. How can you talk about a distant future when right at this moment, thousands are dying in the present? Don't you feel that you owe it to them to remain here and help?
And how do you plan on helping? By being a mujahid?
If you are referring to my gender as a limitation, then yes, I may not be able to fight in a battlefield. But no power in this world can stop me from doing any little that I can to help. You won't find me running away from my problems.
ये बहस तो कई सालों से चलती आ रही है और ना जाने कितना और चलेगी. I'm a full qualified adult and able to make my own decisions. I'm leaving and that's final.
Yes, you are an adult, although one who thinks selfishly only for himself. I feel that I failed to be a father somehow.
अब्बास, अब अपने आप को क्यों इल्जाम देते हैं? अब ये सारी नस्ल खुदगर्ज नहीं हुई है। सिर्फ चंद लोग हैं जो वक्ती तौर पर बहक गए हैं, मगर अभी उम्मीद की किरण जिंदा है. There is still hope for this generation. hope for this country.
अम्मी, मैं इतनी नर्वस हो रही हूँ। आज मेरी जॉब का पहला दिन है।
बेटा, there is no need to be nervous. तुम्हारे एग्जाम्स में इतने अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे और इंशाल्लाह अपनी जॉब में भी you will be just as successful. Always remember, Zaini, your father and I are very proud of you, बेटा।
अच्छा अम्मी, मैं चलती हूँ।
अच्छा, ध्यान रखना। खुदा हाफिज़। ज़ैनब अभी तक आई नहीं और फोन भी नहीं किया।
आ जाएगी परेशान नहीं। तुम मेरे लिए एक कप चाय तो बना दो।
जी अच्छा।
क्या हुआ बेटा? तुम्हारी हालत को क्या हुआ? खैरियत तो है? क्या हालत है? आओ अंदर आओ।
अंकल प्लीज बेटा, ये बहुत बुरी खबर है।
बोलो हुआ क्या? बताओ।
We were doing our rounds in the afternoon when some Indian intelligence officers stormed the hospital and forced all the interns into a van.
They took us to the interrogation center and questioned us very roughly on whether we are aiding the Mujahideens.
We stayed there for several hours without food, water, or the ability to contact anyone. They released us about an hour ago, but Uncle Zeni never came back.
क्या हुआ ज़ैनी को? कहाँ है मेरी बच्ची?
आलिया परेशान।
आलिया
परेशान। सब ठीक हो जाएगा। रिलैक्स। और बताओ क्या हुआ? बताओ।
हमें नहीं पता अंकल, हमें अलग अलग रखा गया था और शक की बुनियाद पर ज़ैनब को रिलीज नहीं किया गया।
हमने बहुत पूछने की कोशिश की अंकल, मगर उन्होंने सिर्फ इतना बताया कि आर टेकिंग हर टू हेडक्वार्टर्स फॉर फर्दर क्वेश्चनिंग।
नहीं, मगर वो ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can you do this to my sister without any proof?
उन्हें जुल्म करने के लिए किसी प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं होती। इसी वक्त के लिए समझाता था कि जिस खौफ की जिंदगी हम जी रहे हैं, जो जुल्म तुम लोगों पर हो रहा है, कम से कम आने वाली नस्लों पर तो ये जुल्म ना हो। उनकी बेटियों को कोई यूं अगवा ना कर सके। Remember what Zeni said? To ensure a better future, we have to ensure a brighter future, we have to better the present. We all know that Zeni will never come again, but her sentiments will always remain in Kashmiri's hearts. If my daughter were to die for her country, then I would be the happiest father of the world.
Yes, Uncle, we all believe in what Zainab believed in.
and we're never going to abandon Kashmir. For conflicted it may be, it is still our home, and we owe it to our brothers to fight for it, defend it, and die for it, if need be.
Mr. Abbas, I'm Eric James.
Hello.
From the United Nations.
Please, have a seat.
Mr. Abbas, we as well as our neighboring Muslim countries feel your pain. To be very honest, I'm here to help you, Mr. Abbas.
But with all due respect, sir, what can we do now?
65 years. 65 years of destruction is what we are focusing upon. As always, certain measures will have to be taken into account. Firstly, we'll fast-track the current issues so that we can reach to a conclusion as soon as possible. After which is the most important part, rebuilding our current state. Don't forget, Mr. Abbas, that we need faithful, professional and patriotic Kashmiris like you in order to steer this country into a different direction, towards a brighter future.
We are with you, Mr. James. I couldn't see it before. I couldn't understand what my parents and sister understood a long time ago. But now I understand. Running away is never the answer. I will stay. We will all stay and fight what is ours by right. A free Kashmir.
Thank you.
Now, Ms.